Mastering British slang. Have a kip. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a piece of British slang that's as cozy as it is useful. We're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, have a kip. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting out, understanding these expressions can add a natural flair to your conversations. So, let's get comfy and start exploring. When someone in the UK says they're going to have a kip, they're not talking about any mysterious activity. It simply means they are going to take a short sleep or a nap. The word kip here is synonymous with a brief period of rest. It's casual and colloquial, perfectly suited for everyday chat among friends and family. Ever wondered where this quirky phrase comes from? Kip might sound distinctly British, but its origins could be traced back to the Danish word kip, which means a sleeping place. This little linguistic journey shows how dynamic the English language is, borrowing bits and bobs from other tongues. To get you comfortable with using have a kip, let's look at some examples. I'm feeling a bit tired after lunch. I might have a kip before we go out. She's gone to have a kip. The poor thing was up all night studying. Remember, it's a casual phrase, so it's best used in informal situations. It's important to note that have a kip is a phrase most commonly used in the UK. While other English-speaking countries might understand it, it's not part of their everyday slang. So, if you're using this phrase outside of Britain, you might want to ensure your audience is familiar with British colloquialisms. And there you have it. You're all set to use have a kip like a true Brit. Sprinkle it into your conversations when you talk about resting, and you'll sound like a local in no time. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Until our next linguistic adventure, happy learning and don't forget to take a kip when you need one.